Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the simple process of setting up your BT Powerline Adapter 600 using the WPS method. It's a fast and convenient way to expand your Wi-Fi coverage without the hassle of cables. First, unbox your BT Powerline Adapter 600 kit. You should find 2 adapters, 2 Ethernet cables, and a quick start guide. Make sure everything is included before you begin. Start by plugging the main adapter into a wall socket close to your Wi-Fi router. Next, use the included Ethernet cable to connect the adapter to the router. Once connected, the power and Ethernet indicator lights should illuminate, confirming proper setup. Now, press the WPS button on your router to begin the pairing process. This enables a secure, password-free connection, allowing compatible devices, like your Powerline adapter, to link to your Wi-Fi network quickly and easily without manual configuration. Within 2 minutes of activating WPS on your router, press the Wi-Fi clone or WPS button on your Powerline adapter. This will copy your router's Wi-Fi settings. The adapter's Wi-Fi LED will start blinking, then turn solid green once connected successfully. When the LED light turns solid, it means your adapter has successfully cloned your router's Wi-Fi settings. You can now enjoy seamless extended wireless coverage throughout your home, using the same Wi-Fi network name and password for easy connectivity. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our dedicated support team is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for expert guidance and troubleshooting. Call us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable support. And that's it. Your BT Powerline Adapter 600 is now connected using WPS and ready to boost your Wi-Fi. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.